Hey guys, welcome back to my another new video. So I'm Rubia, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can practice your English if you have no partner. Okay, and at the end of the video I will also tell you an app name which you can use to practice your English, and where you will have a lot of practice speaking partners, real life partners, and this app is completely free. Just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So how you can practice your English if you have no partner? So I'll suggest you 3 ways or methods so that you can practice your English without any partner. So first one, you can record yourself in the mobile phone, and in this way you will be able to find out your all mistakes, and in this way you will have a opportunity to review your own videos again and again. It is very much effective and helpful, just believe me. You can practice in this way. So it is first one. Second one is that you can practice in front of the mirror. You can choose any kind of random topic, and you can speak on that topic for 1 to 2 minutes or more than that. And you know what, in the initial stage you will not be able to speak more, but when you will be habituated in this process, that time you will be able to speak more than 2 to 3 minutes. Just believe me, even you can speak at least 5 minutes. Okay, so this is number 2, and both these methods are very much effective and helpful and powerful. I have been using these methods since when I have started my spoken English journey. Okay, so these are the two methods, and at the beginning of the video I told you that I will tell you an app name which you can use for your speaking English, and where you will have many partners, and it is completely free. Yes, so the app name is Episode N. Okay, just write it down. The name is Episode N. And it is very much effective and beneficial. Just believe me. You can go to the Play Store and simply you can download this app and you can practice there. First of all, you have to select your English level, then you can practice there. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope this video has the complete solutions of your problems, and you can practice your English anytime, and just practice your English in a very funny way and enjoy the journey. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of question, just ask me in the comments below. I'm always here to help you, and I'm always here to answer your all questions. So thank you so much again, and see you in my next video. So till then, take care.